Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed that your teeth appears flatter as though part of them has been worn down? So if you may be dealing with a condition called bruxism. So bruxism often affects people who experience high level of stress and anxiety. But before we dive into the causes, let's look upon the main symptoms of bruxism that might indicate you have bruxism. When you wake up, do you feel tension in your jaws, almost as if it's difficult to open your mouth? That morning stains is the common sign of bruxism because of the overnight clenching that stains the jaw muscle. Another symptom is gum bleeding that only happens in the morning. If you notice bleeding gums when you wake up, it could be another sign of bruxism. Though other conditions might also be at a play. If bruxism becomes severe, it can lead to TMJ issues, that is the temporomandibular joint, causing pain, restriction, mouth opening, and sensitivity that occurs even without hot and cold triggers. This happens because the grinding wears down the outer layer of the tooth, exposing the sensitive inner layer. When these sensitive areas touch each other, it can create an electric shock like sensation. So now let's talk about the solutions. For night grinders, a night guard, a silicone or rubber cap for the teeth can help by absorbing the force of grinding and protecting the teeth. Over time, you may need to replace the guard, but it's a small step that can prevent more serious issues. If grinding happens in the morning, it's essential to try to manage stress and even consider using a mouth guard during the day if necessary. And remember, even if the damage seems significant, we can explore ways to restore your smile. Starting with a night guard is a key, and if the grinding stops, we can discuss options like crowns to rebuild the natural shape of the tooth. We can discuss options like crown and rebuild the natural shape of your tooth. Taking these steps now can make a big difference in protecting your smile.